Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wanted to create your own online course and start earning from your knowledge, then this video is for you. Today I will walk you through how to create and sell an online course using Teachable, this platform. One of the easiest and most beginner friendly platforms out there, and yes, you can get started absolutely free. So let's dive in. First, you have to head over to teachable.com and then you have to click on get started or start for free. And now you have to enter your full name, then you have to enter your email address. Okay, just let me copy my email address. Then you have to enter a password here. Wait a bit. So let's enter my email address. Now let's enter my password. So after entering your password, you have to tap onto this check icon that I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Now you have to tap on create account, and if you previously have an account or had an account, you just simply log into it. Now that's it. Teachable will ask a few quick questions to you, and you have to enter your full name, your country, your region, your address line 1, your card number, your expiration date, and your security code if you want a monthly subscription. Okay, also you can buy their annual subscription from here, and they offer a 7-day free trial, and after then they will cut $59 a month plus tax from your account. Then you have to tap your card number, then you have to enter your tap on to start your trial. So this is how you can use Teachable. And now Teachable has both free and paid plans. On the free plan you can publish. Okay, let me show you. Let's go to teachable.com again. So let me talk about their free plans. On the free plan you can publish one course, enroll up to 10 students, upload up to 10 videos, and there's a $1 plus 10% transaction fees per sale. If you want more features, you can upgrade to a basic, pro, or pro plus plan. For example, the basic plan removes some limit and reduces the transaction fee to 5%. With the pro plan you can get 0% transaction fees. So as you can see, you can sell online courses here. You can also download digitally. You can start your coaching business also, like if you are a fitness trainer or any type of online guru, then you can just also coaching on this platform. Like you can sell coaching classes. You can also turn your audience into repeat customers with value driven subscription models, and also you can create a private space for you and your students to connect and engage. So this is how you can use Teachable. Let's look at their pricings. So by clicking on pricing, here you go. So first of all, check their pricings annually. Okay, as you can see, this is the annual price. Like as you can see, this is $9 a month, but you have to pay the full amount. Like you have to pay 12 months of amount. Okay, so let's check out their basic subscription, which is 5% transaction fee, unlimited product creation, 5 published products of each type created with AI. It has iOS, student mobile app, sales tax, VAT and GST handling, upsells, coupons and abandoned cart. Now let's look up to their pro offer, which is the most popular one. It is $119 a month. So annually you may need to pay around $1,500, I guess. It can be a little lesser than that. Okay, you just have to pay that. And then you can start free trial. Like free trial is like day free, that I already mentioned you in the video. So on this pro section, this is 0% transaction fee, unlimited product creation, 15 published products of each type, which is created with AI, iOS student mobile app. Like you can use iOS student mobile app. You can also add sales tax, VAT, and GST handling. You can choose upsells, coupons, and abandoned cart. It has affiliate program, course certification, white label website, live chat support. Now let's look up to their Pro Plus model. This is similar to Pro model, like 0% transaction fee in both, unlimited product creation, and but on the published products of each type you can publish up to 200, and on the Pro one it's just 50. You can also create with AI, same as the Pro. It has iOS mobile app, which is also same as the Pro, and also sales tax, VAT, and GST handling, and almost pretty much everything is similar to Pro, but it also has custom admin permissions also, so you can use it. Now let's check up to their monthly subscription. So basic monthly subscription is $59 a month, Pro one is $159 a month, and Pro Plus is $249 a month. So as you can see the difference between them, and I would suggest, like if you are using it on the long way, like if you want to use it for a long time, then I would suggest you to go with the annual one. And if you want to just check it out for a short period of time, then you can go with the basic ones, which is just $59 a month. The main difference between annual and monthly subscription is the monthly subscription one you have to pay per month, and the annual subscription is like you have to pay for the whole year first. So this was the thing about pricings. Now let's check out their resources like guide and host. So at the resources you can check their guides and how to teach lab you, blog, podcast, newsletters, and all these things like support services, inspiration, product support. You can also find on some extra thing like solutions. You can tap onto I'm starting my solution business, and then they will guide you on it. Wait until the page is loaded. Now let's go to product, and by clicking on product you can choose your product, like whether you are selling online course or you are a coaching coach, like you coach students on how to make money. It can be anything, like it can also be like how to get fit in a short time, and or it can be a mindset teaching like coaching. You can also sell ebooks like digital downloads and etc. Also memberships, you can sell memberships, and you can also create a private community for you and your peoples. And you can see all these features here like sales and marketing, payments, analytics, and reporting. You can use all this in Teachable. So Teachable has mobile app also. This has AI features, that is obviously you know from the first that it has AI features, and this also have advanced features. Let's check it out. Wait until the page is loaded. Let's scroll down. Now you can hire an expert from here. You can also buy anything if you want to. As you can see, this is my account. Now from here, create new school. You can create new courses for sale by so first of all enter your name, school name, like check it. Okay, now you have to tap on to create new skill. Wait until it loads completely. Then you have to buy their subscription, like which one you wish to buy. Free, you can enjoy the 7-day free trial only when you enter a card number, expiration date, and security code. And then you have to tap on to start your free trial. And also you can check up your settings, like you can change name from here, you can change your email address, you can change your password. Let's go to billing, and from there you can check out like who has bought your courses and any other transactions here. As you can see, I just don't have any transactions, so it is right now not showing. By clicking on add a new card, you can simply add a new card if you wish to. Okay, And this is on the help section. You can just find out something like which help you. And lastly, you can log out from here if you wish to. So this is how you can use Teachable, and you get to know about it. Wait until it loads completely. You can also log in if you have you are a creator on Teachable. You can do it, and if you are just new, you can tap on the start for free. And my final suggestion is, if you are starting out for right now, then go with the basic subscription, like which was maybe $49. I just don't remember. You can just buy that one. So that's it. You can grow your income from it. You can own your impact. You can start with AI. You can build your space. So this is how you can use it. So that's it, and if this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and see you in the next video, and comment down below that what type of video you wish to see in the future. So that's it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, and as always, keep exploring. Don't forget to check the link in the description, okay?